Not sure why it's not lining up. There we go. Huh. Wouldn't think that would have been necessary. Of course, I'm not a small engine guy. I'm faking it. We got this guy. This guy holds these pins in. They don't come sliding out. So I'll put this guy in. So I gotta figure out which screw that was. I have 3 screws here, 4 screws. And I think I got a problem because I don't know. I'm supposed to have more screws than that. Oh, there's 5. Okay. So I got these 5 screws. They all seem to be the same. Look at the numbers here. Look at the numbers here. It's like an 89 or something. This one has a blue mark on it. These all have blue marks on it. So these blue marks, except this one. So I got 4 with some little bit of blue on them, and one that doesn't. So I'm going to think that now, so it doesn't go like that. It goes like this. Okay, I'm going to get my socket. Now, I'm probably not going to edit this, so you got that slide bar in the bottom of your video, so you might want to be sliding this, depending on how long it takes me to get the right size. Tell if this is an 8 or a 10. Oh, it looks like it's an 8. This is a 8mm. So I'll get that. I'm sure there's. Ah, shit. It looks like I over torqued that. Yeah, we're just gonna torque that like that. Felt like I was stripping out the threads a little bit. I don't know. Now they also have these jam nuts that went on top of these right here. Took these off by mistake. These are for adjusting the clearance. I don't know what the clearance is. I haven't had time to look it up. But I'm kind of guessing that the clearance was correct before, and I was going down the wrong road. So I'm just putting these back. tighten those down. How's that camera shot? I'm checking the camera shot, and that's pretty good. Just don't forget to take these gloves out. Don't think I was going to drop anything else in there. So I'm going to, I got the spark plug still out, so there's no compression. So I'm going to kind of test this out, see if it. Kind of a gap here. Maybe I should figure out what the gap's supposed to be, because I don't see a gap developing here at all. I see a big huge gap. Yeah, there's like a big huge gap right there. Maybe there is a problem with this. Let's see. Let's see if you guys. What this micro lens is right here, but see that gap right there? That's like 50,000th gap. Maybe that was part causing the backfire. I don't know. Now look at this one over here. The exhaust, the intake is a little bit of a gap. Not, so it'd be like somewhere around 5 to 7 thousandths. I do have the gap gauge in there. Let me see if I can. Of course, it's all rusty. Millimeter gap gauge. Well, I don't have a gap gauge, but